Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I spent $408 on this teensy tiny little box. Will I make money? We'll find out. You want to know what's inside? Let's check it out. All right, let's get into this box. Oh, I apologize for my voice. They're harvesting here, and every year in the fall, I get to sing bass because I get all congested because of that. All righty, what do we have in here? So this is one of our wholesalers, so everything should be brand new in here. Ooh, look at all the fun stuff. Now, it's quite a small box for $409, so I'm really hoping that everything that I ordered is included.
Did the invoice say everything was included?
I looked at it, and it says yes. There's a number next to everything. I don't know if it's the correct number, but it looks like we are going to get everything.
Awesome.
So sometimes this wholesaler will be sold out of things, and so they adjust the invoice beforehand. So let's see what all we got. Okay, I usually rewrap most of these things in bubble wrap after I show them to you. Oh, it's a little angel bell. Cute little angel bell. Perfect time of the year to be selling Christmas-style items. Oh, here's another one. Here's a Christmas tree bell.
Oh, perfect.
And they're pretty sounding bells, too.
They are.
We got Christmas trees. We got angels. Here's another Christmas tree.
When a bell rings, an angel gets its wings.
Yes. It's a Wonderful Life.
It's a Wonderful Life, yeah.
Yep.
These really look nice.
I love those.
These turned out a lot better when
This
I was
is
there.
our metalworking wholesaler, so they always make everything out of metal. Oh my word, this is amazing. Look at that. Here's the tag for it.
That's cool.
How cool is that?
Little votive right there.
Yep, you put a little tea light or a votive, anything you want in there. That's cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Nice little silhouetted. You might be able to see a little better that way.
Oh, it looks awesome.
All right, we're going to move this over here. We're going to show you each and every item at the very end, let you know how much they're going to be on Hooked on Pickin. Oh, is this the thing that we sold out of immediately? Yes. We sold these really fast. It's a wrench hook.
Perfect man cave thing.
Perfect man cave. Or if you just like that cuteness, you know,
Yeah.
it's a conversation piece. That's what we're going to say.
Clever.
All right, we have a cone here. Like a dunce cap. It's a tiny little dunce cap. That's what it is. For a tiny little person.
I have no clue what it even is.
Well, we're going to see. It's a Christmas tree. It's really pretty. Look at that. I love that. I might have to keep some of these.
Really neat. Wire mesh.
Okay, we've got two more nativities that are still wrapped, so I'm going to leave them wrapped. The ones I already showed you. All right, wow, there's so much stuff in this box. It's just a never-ending box. What is this guy? Is it sealed? It is sealed. Hold on. Oh, it's like a wind chime, our moose wind chime.
Yeah. We had this before, I believe.
We sold out of them fast, didn't
Yeah.
we? I like it. Moose and tree.
They're nice pieces. They really are.
It's got such a pretty ring to it.
And, fair trade people. Handcrafted. Ethically made. Mira. Clever.
Okay, here's another moose. Got some more stuff in the box. Okay, I've got another thing I pulled out here. I'm going to open the container. This angel will never lose its wings because it already has a bell.
Oh, look at that.
That one's cool.
It does look cool. That's a cool looking angel.
I love that one.
Kind of a, I don't know what you call it, a wind chime or what? I know people hang them up outside, but I think I'd like to keep them inside.
Oh yeah, I would.
I mean, they're fine for outside because they're metal, but
Here's another one. And I pulled out another moose one that I just already set to the side. We'll move our angel here. And then what is this? This says nativity chime.
some great Christmas stuff if it is.
Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. First I'm going to hold it up so you can kind of see. It looks like an ornament, you know, like the shape of it.
That's cool.
That looks hand painted.
Yeah, it does look hand painted because they're not exactly the same on either side. So that's
and this
neat.
one sounds pretty, doesn't it? That is beautiful. I love that one.
Christmas.
Perfect, perfect. I'm gonna pull this. What is this? This is another nativity chime that we just opened. It's this one. Look at that. Wire angel. We already had some of those on Hooked on Pickin.
Yeah.
I think we sold quite a few of them.
We sold almost everything out.
Yeah, so it's good that we're refilling some of those.
They're neat little pieces.
Yes. Alright, let's see what this one is. The reindeer. So it stands up, actually.
Does it stand up?
Yep. So we have a wire reindeer. Like I said, make sure you stay tuned to the end so you know how much everything is, so you can purchase it yourself.
I wonder how long it would take to
Make one of those.
It's a lot of twisting and turning on the wire. It's pretty cool.
All right, so we've got some more wire trees. Here's another wrench hook. Not going to unwrap it because we already have seen it. I'm just going to, let me see. Wire tree, I'm just going to look at the numbers and see, are they different? Nope, they're the exact same. So we got some more of those cute little small wire trees. What is this? This doesn't have a thing on it, so we're going to open it. Okay, so this is a different angel. We have each kind. Here, I'll stand them up. They stand up. See how those are just slightly different. So you can pick which kind you want.
One's got like
angel
a
bell,
loop, and then this one's just a straight wire.
Yep.
Clever.
Another tree. Okay, this is a tiny little thing. I know who you bought these for.
Hey, my mother loves hummingbirds.
I know.
As soon as I saw this, I'm like, it'd be perfect. My mom would love this.
Well, and she's not the only one who loves hummingbirds.
No, there's
so
a lot of people love hummingbirds.
So we're gonna. She's probably gonna end up with at least one.
Absolutely. Oh, cool looking hummingbird.
It is. Okay, what is this called? This is called Mini Hummingbird Chime. Okay, this one says bird hanging small. Oh, cute.
This little bird.
Yeah, cute little bird. Got another one. That's that one.
Get the whole set.
You could get the whole set. All right, we got some more angels, wire angels.
Very cool.
This is what is this one? Well, this is like the very first thing I pulled out, the little angel with the bell.
Angel with the bell.
Yep. So it looks like we have multiples of everything, which is great. What is that? Oh, this is another nativity chime, the blue circle one. And then this one is Mini hummingbird chime. Just trying to grab these. Mini hummingbird chime. This one is nativity chime. Another angel. What are these? It's a copper snowman. Got a little scarf on and everything.
Well, what was that? I like the copper look.
I love the copper.
Look neat. Well, we got you covered for Christmas.
Absolutely. And these are so lightweight, they're not going to cost hardly anything to ship. Oh, here we go.
Yeah.
It's fall. Get you a wire pumpkin.
Look at that. That is cool looking.
Yeah, that'd be perfect for Thanksgiving, wouldn't it?
I think you could put a votive candle in there too if you wanted to.
Yes, you could because it's open in the bottom.
Yeah.
Yep.
That'd
So
be
you can
neat.
actually put a candle there. Same thing with the snowman
Yeah.
because it's open all the way through the top.
Right.
I've got another snowman here and another snowman. So if you want to buy more than one, like have one on each one of your end tables, that's an option. Oh, we got some more pumpkins. So here's a pumpkin. And another pumpkin. And another angel bell. Let's see, what's this one? This is a reindeer. Got another reindeer. I'm thinking everything else might be duplicates. What's this? Ooh, this is different. It says blossom birds. Ooh, it's a set.
Look at that. That's pretty.
That is pretty. And there's one more. There's 3 of them. There we go. Isn't that cool? I'll have to figure out. I have another reindeer I just pulled out of the box.
That is really cool.
I love
they
those.
got the little flowers painted.
Yeah.
It looks like feathers real well. Especially this one.
And I
like
haven't.
this one.
The last thing in the box is a mini hummingbird chime. And that is it. How cool is that? So let's go ahead and go to the computer and we're going to see exactly how much you can find them for on Hooked on Pickin. All right, everybody, we're going to go ahead and check out all of the amazing things here on Hooked on Pickin. If you check out the kitchen and home decor section, that's where you find all of these items. So we're going to click on kitchen and home decor, and there they all are. So let's go through how much everything is and each individual item. So we have got the gold antler wrapped wire reindeer, $17.99. It gives you all the dimensions on every listing. Then we have the metal angel bell, really pretty sound, $17.99 for that. The nativity chime, that is blue in color, $17.99 for that. Christmas tree bell, $17.99. Gold star wrapped wire tree. This is the smaller one. They do offer a larger one. We just don't have it in stock. So this is, it shows you the dimensions there, how large it is, but really pretty cute thing. Then we have the mini cutout burn, $12.99. The gold halo angels. Now there's 2 different styles. This one has the loops and this one is just the straight lines, and you can choose A or B. So it shows you loop style or crisscross style, $9.99. Then we have the copper wire snowman at $9.99. The mountain moose chime at $9.99. Or sorry, $19.99. And then the blossom bird chimes, you get all 3 of them for $39.99. The metal nativity scene and candle holder, size small, $17.99. The wrench wall hook at $19.99. The bronze wire pumpkin, isn't that cute? Just love it, $24.99. The mini hummingbird chime, we did keep one of these for Mama Hooks, $12.99. And last but not least, the Trumpet Angel chime at $17.99. So hopefully you loved everything that you saw. And of course, remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.